Oh, they are making some there. Alright, so this video is going to be about the sound quality from the glasses, the recording quality, and nighttime shooting. It is about 8:30 at night right now. Everything's pretty dark. We're going to see how well I can record my skating, and also how well it just sees the stuff around us. So we're just going to go for a little quick shesh. We're going to check back and see what this all sounds like. Hopefully the sound quality is good, because that'd be cool to use these for vlogging or something. I'll let you be the judge. Let's go. Looks like they got a little construction over here. That's no fun. Oh, they're cleaning the windows. That's an awkward little ollie. Let's keep rolling. Be sure to look both ways before you cross the street, especially while you're skating. Let's try that again. What the fuck? Oh, I suck. Oh, one thing I want to note is that I am in the nighttime with sunglasses on, but these lenses are actually pretty clear. This is pretty good for like nighttime or daytime use. I haven't actually tested them in the daytime yet, but that'll be on the second part of the video. I'll go out skating again tomorrow, and I'll be in the same video. These are limited to 5 minutes of play, so I'm actually going to cut it here and start it back up. St. Louis is usually pretty dead all year round. There's not much actually to do in St. Louis. Backside 180. Took it all the way up. Get a little manual here. That's always so smooth. This is more of a comment to the lenses once again. It is really dark in this area, but I can still see what's in front of me. I can still skate and look around me and check out my surroundings and everything. Oh man, can't hippie jump worth the shit, but at least I can see. Oh, we got some burnouts. Let's check that out. I think we missed the burnouts. You ever just forget how to skate? place to run through. You have a nice hippie jump. And you also have some other places that you could do some tricks at, just like that. Little manual to shove it here. Perfect. Frontside 1 to manual. Not perfect. Yeah, just keep rolling through. Yeah, another hippie to finish your shit. There's actually not that much to skate in St. Louis. Oh, this is a video review, so I guess I should talk more about the glasses more than the skateboarding. I'll be sure to look around and make sure you get nice views. We're actually heading into Ballpark Village right now, so I'm going to cut back and I'll see you when I get to Ballpark Village. And here's a pretty candid shot of Busch Stadium and the Ballpark Village to the left. We'll skate in there and see all the pretty lights and stuff. Hopefully it looks good on camera. Yikes. Oh, it is Halloween, so we do see some good costumes. That's some of Ballpark Village here. Got a little party going on up there. That's pretty cool. I'm not cool enough to go in there though. Let's keep going down. See if we can get a kickflip off the curb. Kickflip. Kickflip. Alright. I think this has been a pretty good example of what the nighttime could do. You be the judge of the video quality and see if it can replace your GoPro or your Insta360 or something like that. I'm just using those names because those are the cameras that I have. And I'm trying to find an all-in-one solution to film my skate stuff and also vlog a little bit. Alright, see you in the daytime. And I just got done skating, so I'm actually going to throw in a night version of driving while I'm at it. Maybe you want to use these for dash cam or something. You can wear these pretty much all day. They're really comfortable on the face. They have that that adjustable nose bridge. They give you like 3 inserts that you can put in there, given the size of your nose. I have a really big nose, so I don't think any of them really fit me all that well, but it's actually still pretty comfortable and lightweight. I think I have the smallest one and it still is like levitating off of the front of my face. I don't know if you can see that very well. Probably use a mirror. But then again, I've never actually had a pair of glasses like these before. These are very bikey, very sporty. I just like normal pairs of reading glasses if I'm like looking at computer stuff or something. Those blue light glasses, those are really good. I like those a lot. I should go ride my motorcycle. It's a really nice night. Alright, well, this is a pretty good night sample for driving and skateboarding. Not even like specifically skateboarding, but more just action sports. Like, skateboarding is a pretty rough sport. Like, you got a lot of bobbing and weaving movements from your head. Just take into account all that and how well the video is actually stabilizing the footage. That's kind of the main point. Can you get a good clear video without having to have another person film you or have to worry about a big heavy camera, or not even a big heavy camera, just like a camera, like a GoPro or something, like I said earlier. Just not having to hold anything, everything's hands-free. You can do whatever you want and not have to think about it. So let's snap to the morning and then we'll see what else we got. So 1, 2, 3. Alright, so now we're back outside. It's daytime out. Just a little past noon. Very cloudy. I wish it was a bit more sunny, but it is what it is. Here's some daytime footage. Let's skate around a little bit and see what this looks like. It's fucking cold. Yeah, it's about 55 degrees right now. I'm not having a good time. I absolutely hate the cold. Excuse me. I can't do any of my burial or my fakie tricks anymore. I don't know why. There we go. Half got flipped. My switch isn't very good. I wonder if I could do a switch 180. Oh. Maybe next time. Very sloppy, very, very sloppy. See if we can do a combo. No, not even close. Couldn't hold the grind, couldn't do the board slide, couldn't do anything. Brr, it's fucking cold. Let's see if we can do a front shot grind. Missed it. Yeah, I need to skate more. I've probably been skating once a week since I've gotten back to the States, and it's just not enough. I'll figure it out. Very out of shape, very lazy. Ooh, the water's off. Ah! I just need to do a 5-0 on it. I can't 50-50 on this thing worth of shit. Aiming with my back truck and I'm trying to go straight. I don't know how I end up always over here. Very strange, very strange. Try again. There we go. That was okay, I guess. Let's get some major air on this thing. Let's go. That's a fucking launcher. Catch, but very sloppy tic-tac. All right, take two. That's a pretty good line.